But let me back up a little bit and talk to you about how we got this pier, how it was built, the structure of this pier, and all of that. So Unocal built this pier, and originally there was another pier here that they built. It was a wood pier, just like the Port San Luis Pier and the Avila Beach Pier over there. And they used it to distribute oil offshore. So they're pumping oil inland or whatnot, transferring it all to this pier via underground pipeline. Out along the pier, you see all the pipes that are still here, empty now and cleaned and filled with nitrogen. That oil all came down here, and then tankers pulled up alongside, offloaded on, and then it was distributed throughout the coastline. And in fact, supposedly the pier being here was pretty instrumental in keeping the Pacific Fleet fueled up during World War II. So you never know what would have happened had Unocal not had our fleet fuel. So that wood pier was taken out during a big storm, during a 1982 winter El Nino storm. There was a few people on board on the pier when it got taken out, and they were pulled out of the water. But when Unocal went to rebuild, they didn't want to have that issue. So we have this steel and concrete behemoth. With your wooden piers, the pilings are pounded just through the sand to the top of the bedrock, and it's just the sand and then the driving planks that holds it upright. Well, when a big swell event comes through, the buoyant force just pushes up those driving planks, and then sand, in that type of environment, yeah, it's really dynamic, right? And so your pilings end up just falling like dominoes. So here, Unocal actually drilled several feet through the bedrock, pounded in these steel sleeves, and then pounded in the steel pilings within those sleeves and grouted it all with cement. So the piling construction and then the grating that you're walking on, which dissipates all that wave energy, allows us to withstand wave events with overtopping waves. So we're about 25 feet off the water line, give or take, depending on the swell. So that's a pretty big wave. You end up losing keys, cell phones, sunglasses. I've lost all of those.
Oh my. GoPro?
No, not a GoPro yet.
I'm all sketched out.
But the good news is, we have the tools to go retrieve those things. So it's not the end of the world if you do drop something. It may not be working when you get your cell phone back. But.
So that was the same story for our pier out on Santa Rosa, right? It was an old pier, and it was got nuked, and so the replacement pier is, as you guys know, is much more robust like this, right? Metal and concrete, steel and concrete.
So how's all that going? Tom was trying to tell me it was on San Nicolas Island, and I knew that was not the case.
No, Santa Rosa.